I'm sharing the screen.
Thank you,
Please be
sir.
attentive.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Tauhid. Today we are going to discuss about food chain, food web. You have not heard food web yesterday, producers and all those things we will be seeing today. Okay. Let us consider a pond once again. Let us consider a pond once again. Okay, I'm drawing a pond. I've drawn a bigger diagram deliberately, but now I will adjust.
What is this, sir?
Krishan,
Pond.
food chain, food web, and all those. Okay, producers. I will define, don't worry. First, you draw the pond. I'm drawing a pond, okay? I will be sending you pictures as well, don't worry.
No, sir, no problem. We can do it right now.
Okay. Can you see the drawings clearly?
Yes, sir. Sir, is this a frog?
Yeah. See, my drawing is not that good, but you have to accept that.
Okay, sir, no problem.
I have drawn all possible things that are found inside a pond. I am considering
And sir, stones also.
only living structures, only living organisms. We are not
Oh,
going to deal with stones and those. Only living organisms. Please make a note of this.
okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Have you drawn all the organisms? Because I will go to the next page.
So wait a minute.
Sir, wait.
Ankita Roy, where were you so many days? I'm seeing you for the first time.
Sir, I have fever.
How are you now?
Sir, now good.
Take care. Thanks for joining.
Okay, sir.
Please do not laugh at this bad diagram. I have tried to include everything and the questions
No,
will
sir.
follow after
Mine
you
is
complete.
good.
Okay. Thank you.
Sir, finished.
Okay. All of you have finished. Can I go to the next board? Prince?
Yes, sir.
What is Prince saying? Prince, can I go to the next board? Okay. So I am moving to the next board. Can you give me the answer of this question? In food chain
Sir.
number 1, how many organisms are there?
Sir, my phone is charge is not there.
Okay, I can understand. Please be patient and nothing else can be drawn.
Sir, my phone is charge is not there.
Then
Only 5%.
okay. Wait, when it goes off, we can't help. Can anybody tell me in food chain number 1, how many organisms are there?
15. Sir,
Food chain number
I
1,
go
yes.
to charges.
Okay. How many organisms are there? Count it and say, listen, I am underlying the organisms now. Phytoplankton is 1, zooplankton 2, insect 3, frog 4, and snake 5. So how many are there?
So 5.
5 organisms. Okay. Each organism, remember this, each organism is called a trophic level. So phytoplankton they are green plants, yes or no? Are you listening? They are green plants, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So they have chlorophyll, and thus they will undergo photosynthesis. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you're right.
So phytoplankton, they perform photosynthesis. Okay. Now I am using a different color. Let me use green. Now this zooplankton, insect, frog, snake. Okay. So zooplankton, comma, insect, frog, cannot perform photosynthesis, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So these organisms which cannot perform photosynthesis are called what? What are they called? Organisms that cannot perform photosynthesis are called what? See, I am writing the answer. They are called heterotrophs. Remember,
What? What, sir?
heterotrophs, heterotroph. They cannot perform photosynthesis. And green plants are called autotrophs. Now you remember,
Yes, sir.
autotrophs make their own food. Heterotrophs cannot make their own food, right?
Yes, sir.
Autotrophs are also called producers. Autotrophs are also called producers. And heterotrophs are called consumers because they cannot make their own food, but they eat others. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I go to a different page? You people have taken copying.
Sir, wait for a minute.
Okay.
Sir, finished.
All of you?
Yes, sir.
Now come to the previous page here. I am writing one question at the top of the page and you people will answer that. Can you make a food chain with 4 members only? you must include a green plant. Answer must be from the pond below. Try to answer. Can you make a food chain with 4 members only? You must include a green plant and answer must be from the pond below. You cannot write a tiger, human being, or a vulture, elephant, whale. You have to take members from this pond only. Did you get the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. Have you seen the diagram carefully? I am coming to the next page where you will answer.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Who will say? Reyes, like to say something?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Reyes, tell me the
Sir,
answer.
answer.
Yeah.
प्रिंस तुझे আমাকে পরে পাঠিয়ে দিবি আমার ফোনে চার্জ
Aye, no
নেই তার
talking in
জন্য
Bengali. Reyes, tell me.
Sir, insects.
You have to include a green plant. Either you have to say phytoplankton or water plant. That you have to include. So what do you want to include? Okay, let me help you a lot. You should say water plant, then put an arrow, write insect, put an arrow, write frog, and an arrow, write snake. How many organisms are there, Reyes?
4, sir.
4. Mohima, are you here? Mohima, are you here? Sumaya, are you here? Mohima, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Can you name another food chain which consists of 4 organisms? I have written one on the board which I asked to Reyes. He did not answer. I have made the answer for him. Look at the members and let us come to the previous page where the pond is drawn. Can you name a food chain with 4 organisms here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Mohima, now you have to answer. I'm going to that page where Reyes said. So Mohima, here is your turn. Tell me the answer.
Okay, sir.
Tell me.
Small fish eat water plant.
Okay.
Then
Wait. So you have to write water plant at first, always. Then put an arrow. You want to say a small fish, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then go ahead. Stop marking. Erase
Then
that. Large fish. You have already got 3 organisms. I need one more.
Yes, sir. Then kingfisher.
Kingfisher. Very good. Okay. I hope all of you have understood this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me ask a question to someone else who is here. Ankita, can you hear me? No, sir. Okay. Zitobrato, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, your friends Mohima and Reyes gave the answer having 4 members, right? You are listening. Now I am
Yes,
asking
sir.
you to make a food chain. Make a food chain where 5 members are there. Try that. You have to take members from the pond only, that pond which I drew.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I have this pond right in front of you. You have to make 5 members.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you
Sir,
ready
what
to
is
say?
this?
That is an arrow. They are called
Yes, sir.
zooplankton. Zooplankton means very small animals. Put your red mark off. Tishandolui, put your red mark off.
Sir, that is not.
Okay.
Sir,
Okay.
that one.
Which one?
Sir, next page.
Next page. Okay. Coming. This page.
So can I tell?
No, that. Then again this page.
This page.
Yes, sir, that thing.
Yeah, tell me. That is kingfisher, a bird.
Sir, what is this?
That's
What is
so
this?
Okay,
small.
okay. Erase your red marking. Erase your red marking, Krishandolui. Can anybody describe a kingfisher? Can anybody describe a kingfisher?
Sir,
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Yeah, please. Tell your friend.
sir, kingfisher is a bird which eat fishes from the ponds, rivers, or lakes.
You have never
In
seen a
Bengali,
kingfisher?
Macharanga Paki.
Yeah, Machranga. You have
In
never
Bengali,
seen that?
Sir, I sing.
Okay, okay, okay. Now, who will answer this? Jitoproto, I am asking you, answer this. A food chain having 5 members. Hurry up.
okay, sir. So small plants are eaten by zooplanktons.
Wait. Let me write. Small plants to start with, right?
Yes, sir.
Small plants, put an arrow, then,
Zooplanktons eaten by zooplanktons.
okay, very good. Zooplanktons, that comes number 2.
So small fishes eat insects.
Who will eat the zooplankton?
Yes, sir. Zooplanktons are eaten by insects.
Very good. Insect. Then insects are being eaten by
Frogs.
frog, and frog will be consumed by
Snake.
snake. Can anybody understand? And I hope
Yes,
it's very
sir.
simple. Okay. Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
Now make a note of something I am writing below. This is very important. The source of all the energies is sun. Don't forget this. I'm coming to the next page. Acha. Yes,
Sir, what
Krishan,
is
what
this?
happened? Okay,
Sir,
wait.
go to next.
Yeah, the source of all the energies is sun.
Sir, that one.
Zooplankton, small animals, very small animals.
Zooplank.
Can
Okay,
I go
sir.
to the next page?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, understand this very well. In a pond, there are numerous.
Sir, please again the go to next page.
Next or previous?
Last one.
Yeah, I am here. Tell me.
Sir, the sources of sir, I'm writing. The sources of sir, completed.
Okay.
Completed.
Got it? Can I go to the next page?
Yes, sir. Go.
Yes,
Only
sir.
8 minutes left.
Yeah. There are numerous Okay, there are numerous phytoplanktons. Okay, now the next, the number of zooplanktons are even lesser. Next, the numbers of other organisms go on decreasing. Can you understand my handwriting?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
The snake is present in terms of one or two, that is least. Now I will teach you something, that if we are representing these numbers by means of a picture, we draw a pyramid. So a pyramid is drawn to represent the number of organisms at different levels. Can you hear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'm changing the ink so that you can understand it better now. Green plants are producers.
Sir, what is this you have written?
Represent
Okay, sir.
maximum. Zooplanktons.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, what is this?
Which one? Organism. Organism.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Zooplanktons are less than producers. Then we are having insect, lesser. Then frog, even less. Snake, least. So how will I draw the pyramid? Like this. Yes, Trishan,
What is this,
producers.
sir?
Producers.
Okay, sir.
A list.
So this is pyramid.
Yes. See, you don't need to go to Egypt to see a pyramid. I am drawing here.
What is this?
Green plants.
Green plants.
Sir, only 1 minute left.
I am completing this.
So what?
1 minute left. Okay, zooplankton, insect, frog, and the last level is snake.
Sir, you complete that?
Yeah, over.
So what is this?
Which one?
No.
Number. Number decrease from bottom to top. Decrease.
That one.
Decrease. Are you understanding this? This is a very simple diagram.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is called pyramid of numbers. Do not write pyramids of Egypt.
Sir, my work is finished.
Yeah, even I have finished. Can I stop screen sharing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We understood very well.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So I'm stopping screen sharing.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Those who have missed, this is the previous page where 2 of you answered, not 2, 3 of you. Again, the previous page, and this is the first page. Have you understood, everybody? What do you mean by a food chain and a pyramid?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm stopping screen sharing. Okay, all of you. So today I will be sending you some notes, don't worry, and some pictures. Till the weekend, enjoy, and we are meeting on Monday, okay?
Sir, we
Yes,
can
sir.
see the
Okay.
class.
Okay, so the meeting ends here. Thank you for joining.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Sir, see you tomorrow. See
Okay,
you
not
Monday.
tomorrow, Monday. Bye.
Monday, sir.
Take care. Bye.
See you in Monday.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.